Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam dan bahagia. Perkenalkan, nama saya Endah Fikri Setiawati SPD. Saya mengajar bahasa Inggris di SMP Tunas Bukit Indah Purwakarta, sekaligus sebagai mahasiswi pendidikan profesi guru dalam jabatan Angkatan 3 kategori 1 di LPTK Universitas Sarjana Wiyata Taman Siswa Yogyakarta dengan nomor peserta 20190105860. Saya akan melaksanakan uji kinerja di SMP Tunas Bukit Indah Purwakarta. Berikut video praktik pembelajaran saya. Good afternoon, students. How are you today? Okay, before we start our lesson today, we pray together. Please lead pray now, Aaron.
Before we start our lesson today, we pray together. Pray together. Pray and
Okay, thank you, Aaron. Okay, who is the absent today? Okay, now I will check it. Azra, Abian, Erza, Erlangga Dipo, Hana, Novena. Okay, good. Muhammad Aditya, Raikal, Rifat, Tristan, Queen, William, Yuda, Justinus. Oke, berarti tidak ada yang absen ya hari ini ya. Oke, now, class, please prepare your books, dictionary, and pen, and your handphone. Yeah, are you ready to study class now?
ready.
Okay, now listen to me. If I say good morning, clap your hand once. Yes? Once. And if I say good afternoon, clap your hand twice. Dua kali ya. And then next, if I say good evening, clap your hand 3 times. And if I say good night, don't clap your hand. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, give applause. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good night. Good night. Okay, good night. Concentration. Okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good night. Good morning. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Good afternoon. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good night. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, do you still remember the material last meeting? Yes. It's related about simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense. And today we would like to discuss about the adverb of frequency. Have you ever heard it? Now, adverb of frequency. Ya. Adverb of frequency. Tujuan pembelajaran atau the purpose of teaching learning today yaitu adalah mampu menganalisis adverb of frequency dengan tepat. And then, membandingkan adverb of frequency sesuai dengan konteks dengan benar. And next, membuat kalimat sederhana menggunakan adverb of frequency dengan tepat. And the last, mempresentasikan hasil kerja bersama kelompok dengan percaya diri. Jadi nanti di akhir kalian present in front of the class, okay? And then next, we have 3 assessment ya, 3 assessment yaitu attitude, knowledge, and skill. Jadi ada 2 penilaian, yaitu secara spiritual, sosial. Spiritual itu dari sikap ketika berdoa tadi, terus krisis pengetahuannya, dan keterampilannya adalah presentation. Oke, and then next, please pay attention to this video and I will give you the question related the video. Are you ready?
What do you do on the weekend?
I usually stay home, but sometimes I go out.
Oh, where do you go?
Sometimes I go to the beach. Sometimes I go to the park.
I often go there too. Do you ever go to the lake?
No, very rarely. It is too far from house.
What do you usually have for dinner?
I try to eat healthy, so I usually cook vegetables.
Really? What kind of stuff do you make?
Sometimes I make soups. Sometimes I make stir fry.
Stir fry. That is not very healthy.
I know, but don't eat it often.
Do you take the bus to work?
No, I never take the bus. I always drive.
Yeah, it's so much easier to drive.
Do you drive to work?
Actually, I rarely drive. I usually walk to work. I live near the office.
Lucky you.
Do you ever go to the movies?
I rarely do. It is too expensive. Do you?
No, not often. I usually rent DVDs.
Really? I never do that. I usually stream movies.
Nice. Do you have fast internet?
Yeah, usually it is fast, but sometimes it's slow.
Do you have a pen I can use?
No, but I have a pencil.
Thanks. Do you have an eraser?
The pencil has an eraser.
Great. And some paper?
My gosh, you don't have anything.
Would you like a sandwich?
I would love a sandwich.
And some chips?
Some chips sounds lovely.
And a drink?
I'm okay, I have water.
How do you like your new house?
It's nice. It has a kitchen, a big bedroom, and a nice bathroom.
Do you have a yard?
No, but I have a patio.
Nice. Do you have a good view?
No, there is a building next door.
Did you like the book?
Yes, I loved the ending.
Really? I thought the ending was not that good.
No way. The surprise at the end was great.
Did you like the characters?
Yes, I liked everything about it. Hello everyone. This is Mr. Bob in Cambodia. I am so happy today. Are you okay? I hope so. I usually read English books before I go to bed, and you? I think you should read it, too. In this video lesson, I will teach you about how to use adverbs of frequency. Here we go to the following rules. 1. We use adverbs of frequency to show how often we do something. For example, I always have coffee in the morning. I usually eat dinner at home. I sometimes eat at restaurants. I never drink alcohol. 2. Adverbs of time and relative strength. Always, 100%. Almost always. Usually. Often. Sometimes. Hardly ever or rarely. Almost never. Never, 0%. 3. Adverbs of time can be used immediately in front of the verb. For example, Thomas almost always paints in the evening. She usually gets to work early. We hardly ever rent movies. I never stay out late. 4. Sometimes, usually, and often can go before the subject or at the end of the verb phrase. For example, usually I read before bed. I read before bed usually. Often I go there. I go there often. Sometimes I play tennis at night. I play tennis at night sometimes. 5. Adverbs of frequency have to stand after verb be. For example, she is always late. You are never depressed. Please remember, we use adverbs of frequency in present simple tense. If they use in another tense it has different meaning. Thank you for watching me, teaching you today. If you have any questions, please ask me in comments. Catch you later, bye.
Okay, based on the video, yeah, I give you some question. The first is mention the one sentence from this video. One sentence. Okay, Hana.
Usually stay home.
I usually stay home. Okay, and then next. Sometimes go to the beach. Okay, next. Raika. I usually go cook vegetable. Okay. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Okay, what's the video about? It's related about the adverb of frequency. Now, what's the meaning of adverb of frequency? What are adverb of frequency? Adverb that change or qualify the meaning of a sentence by telling us how often or how frequently something happens. There are two kinds, two kinds. An adverb of frequency. The first is definite and indefinite, ya. Di sini ada dua. Jadi adverb of frequency itu digunakan untuk menyatakan bagaimana sering kamu melakukan suatu kegiatan related about the daily activity, ya, terkait dengan daily activity. There are the two kind, ya, dua jenisnya, yaitu ada definite sama indefinite. The definite adverb is used to atau use it at the end of the sentence. Jadi kalau definite itu diletakkannya di akhir kalimat, at the end sentence. For example, and then next, terus, ya. Jadi di sini kalau adverb of frequency definite itu spesifik, ya. Hourly itu artinya berarti adalah once every hour atau jadi setiap jam. Next berikutnya daily berarti every day atau once a day. Weekly every weeks atau once a week. Monthly every month atau once the month. And then years yaitu adalah every years atau once a years, ya. And then next the rule, adverb of frequency rule. The first, always use adverb of frequency to discuss how often something happen. Seberapa sering sesuatu itu terjadi. And then adverb of frequency are often used to indicate routine or repeat activity. Kegiatan yang suka diulang-ulang atau yang rutinitasnya. And then if a sentence has only one adverb, place the adverb of frequency in the middle of the sentence so that it is positioned after the subject. Jadi posisinya, aturannya adalah after subject. And then next, when a sentence contain more than one verb, jika ada sebuah kalimat yang terdiri lebih dari satu kata kerja, place the adverb of frequency before the main verb. Letakkan sebelum kata kerja utama. And then next, when using an adverb of frequency in the negative, and in forming a question, place it before the main verb. Kalau untuk kalimat tanya negatif, maka letaknya sebelum kata kerja utama, ya. For example, ini di sini contohnya adalah do you usually get up so late? Then from here any question. Jadi there are three rules atau three formula, ya, ada tiga. The first is be after subject, and then next after subject, and then next before main verb, and the third between atau before auxiliary verb, ya. Next berikutnya, oke. Any question? No? Please open your book. Indefinite. Kalau definite itu mendeskripsikan tentang rentang waktunya lebih spesifik. Kalau indefinite itu adalah tidak mengungkapkan suatu yang spesifik. For example, always. What's the meaning of always? Yaitu adalah selalu. Berarti itu kalau dibikin presentation itu adalah 100%. And then next, usually. Dia biasanya. And then next, frequently. Sering sekali. Often. Sering. Sometimes. Kadang-kadang. Terus berikan occasionally. Sesekali. Oke, seldom. Jarang. Rarely. Jarang sekali. Kalau never, tidak pernah. Berarti mengerucut never itu berarti 0%. Okay? From here, any question? No. Okay, please make a one sentence using adverb of frequency related about your daily activity. Raise your hand. Hannah. I rarely wake up at 7 o'clock. Okay, next. Aaron.
I always
breakfast before go to school. Okay, good. Next.
I eat.
Oh yeah, I always eat vegetable. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, I always eat vegetables. Okay, good. Thank you, Divo ya. Berarti di sini udah tidak no question ya, no question. Okay? I will give you do the exercise ya, individually ya, individual. Okay? Please do this exercise. You can ask me. Yuda, any question? Finish. Don't forget to write your name in the bottom ya. Di bawahnya ditulis namanya. Ifat finish. Any question, Angel? Any question, Noven? Finish. Okay, now we check it together ya. Please answer number 1. Noven. Martha blah 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 travel by bus. In here, where is the always place? Always-nya diletakkannya di mana? After, berarti please read correctly. Martha always. Okay, Martha always travel by bus. Okay, next berikutnya number 2. Ethan. Yolanda. Where is the usually place? After R. Okay, good. And then next number 3. Repat. Where is raining? I often drive my car. Okay, next number 5. Yeah. Lucas doesn't hardly ever eat this. He hates it. Okay. Next berikutnya. Write sentence in the symbol using this word or match to the picture. Number 1. Hippo. Okay, Pamela often in her room Saturday. Next berikutnya number 3, Adit.
My sister sometimes does my makeup.
My sister sometimes does my makeup. Okay, next number 4, the last number. Abian. Helen rarely plays bowling with. Okay, good job. Okay, now please collect your LKPD ya. And then next, I want to make a group ya. Kumpulkan kembali. Rifat, dikumpulkan LKPD-nya. Okay, now I will make a group. The first group, Raika, Yuda, and then next Queen, Novena, dan Aaron. And then next second group, Hannah, Azra, Rifat, and then next Willy and Abian. Third group, Erza, Angel, Tristan, and Adit. Okay, please move your seat. Okay? Okay, yeah, okay, thank you. Okay, keep silent please, yeah. These are your groups, yeah. First group, second group, and third group. Okay? Today, I have the game show related about the material. If you understand about the adverb of frequency, you must, if you know the answer, you raise hand ya. Masing-masing kelompoknya bisa raise hand, oke? Okay? Are you ready? Oke, okay, kita mulai ya. Start now. Oke, okay, the second group. Okay, good. Then next. Question number 2. Okay, right side. What's your answer? B. Okay, good. And then next. Question number 3. Rifat. C. Okay, good. C. Next, very good ya. Then next. Bonus round ya. Mau yang mana bonusnya? Hah? Adit, berarti yang mana, Adit? Left? Ini. Yeay, 200 poin. Oke. Then next. Jadi 563, Pak. Question number 4. Hana. C. Okay, C. Okay, good. 1, 2, 1. Next. Score number. Ethan. Okay, next. Ethan. What? A, B, C? A. Yeah. Okay, the answer is B. Yeah, the answer is B. Okay, next. Now question number 6. Okay, Anna. A. Are you something tired at home? At work? Okay, good. Next. The last question. Question number 9. Oh, bonus deh ya, bonus. Anna, choose by one. Yeah. Good. 200 point. Next. Question number 7. Okay, Yuda. Oh. Ayud. Kevin. A. Okay, good. 2, 3, 1. Okay, then next. Question number 8. Okay, Dipo. B. Okay, next. The last number ya. The last question. Okay, question number. Hana. B. Okay, good. And then next. Abian. Point. Okay ya. 100 point. 2, 4, 2 ya. Ya, kelompok 1 seldom. Oke, berarti the winner is the second group. Okay, I give you the snack ya for the winner. This is special just for you. Hey, give applause. And then next, I will give you the segment, yeah. And then next, after work, I have the worksheet for you, yeah. You must perform 2 questions about this question. Ya, adverb of frequency. The number one is rule. So you must only choose between, after, before. Yeah. And then next number two. Circle the adverb of frequency. See, and then number three. Write the adverb in the correct place. Right in here. Yeah. You can look at your book. And then number four. Put the sentence in order. You must make a sentence correct using the adverb of frequency. And number five is to complete the sentence. Complete with the adverb of frequency and verb. Ya, present simple of the verb. Jadi di sini nanti present simple dan ditambah dengan adverb of frequency. You must remember about the rule atau pattern of the simple present. Ya, I give you 10 minutes to do it. And then you must perform in front of the class. I will give. Are there any difficult? Aaron, what is your question, Aaron? Number? Oh, finish. Okay. Finish? Okay, thanks. Easy for you. Okay, good. Aaron presents. And then next, the second group, Hannah. And then the first group, Rifat. The third group, are you ready, Rifat? Yes? Rifat. Okay, this is for the first group. Rifat, please, attention please. Give your suggestion. Maybe Rifat, you must present the number 4. Number 4, okay. First. He usually swim fast. Okay, next. Number 1. He usually swim fast. Any other answer? Ada jawaban yang lain? No, okay, correct. Okay, next, number 2.
Number 2, my dad never drink coffee.
My dad never drinks coffee. Correct or incorrect? Number 2. Yes. Okay. Next, number 3.
They don't often listen to music.
They don't often listen to music. Okay, correct ya. Next, number 4.
Number 4, I am really angry with her.
Really
Angry with her. Angry
with her. Okay, next. The last.
The last, why do you never brush your teeth?
Okay, why do you never brush your teeth? Okay, good job, Rifa. Thank you.
Yeah.
Please, back to your seat. And then next, berikutnya, the second groups. Hannah answer number 5.
Susan
Complete the sentence. Okay, number 1.
Susan never does her homework in the kitchen. Henry and Tina don't usually meet in the afternoons. I am always at home on Sunday mornings. We seldom go out at night from Monday to Friday. Do you sometimes eat pizza? English weather is not often sunny.
Okay, thank you, Hana. And then next berikutnya, the last, Aaron. Number 3.
0% is never. The 5% is rarely. The 10% is seldom. The 30% is occasionally. If the 50% is sometimes, 70% is often, 80% is generally, 90% is usually, and 100% is always.
Okay, thank you, Aaron. Good jobs. Nah, give applause. Okay, and then now Any question about the material today? No? If not question, please prepare your handphone. I have the question. Okay, I think your question is good from the first, second, and third. And then please collect your assignment. Your assignment, Angel, kumpulkan kembali LKPD-nya. Thank you. What have we studied today? Adverb of frequency. How many types of adverb of frequency? Mention it. Usually, apa itu usually? Definite and indefinite, ya. The definite and indefinite. How many rules? Adverb of frequency. How many rules? 3. Okay, good. Around 3. The first is before verb, next between auxiliary verb, and then the last is after to be or before to be. After to be. Okay, and then next, prepare your handphone, and I have a question, 10 question related about the material adverb of frequency. Quizzes time. Okay, now please, the code is 6305H1. Tristan, Raikal, Queen. Okay, just 6%. Only one. Finish, ya. Okay. 1, 2. Azra belum? Finish, Azra. Okay. Start now. 1. Finish. Finish. All of the students finish. And first home. Very fast. And second Rupana. And to Azra, Raikal, Hana, Rifat. Wow, dapat 100-nya banyak sekali. Rifat, kamu kerjanya berapa kali? Okay, thank you. Ya, okay. Before we go home, ya, I will give you the question. Kita refleksi dulu, ya. Related about the material today. What is the material today? Adverb of frequency. Are you happy now? Okay, happy. What is your activity? Do you like quizzes? Only quizzes? Yes. Okay, it's no problem. And the next meeting, we would like to discuss about the descriptive text. And I hope at home you will study again about material today. Do you know? Yes. Okay, give applause for us. Before we go home, we pray together. Hana.
Greeting to the teacher.
Good afternoon. See you next time. Bye bye.